Hey, what's up? It's Jake from Newest DevOps, and we're going to be doing problem 1.4, which is, given a string, write a function to check if it is a permutation of a palindrome. So if you don't know what a palindrome is, it's where a word is the same forwards as it is backwards. So race car and race car, for example, or like Bob, or dad, or mom, whatever. So same word forward as it is backwards. This is another fairly simple one. So we're going to define a string s, and we'll just use the word string, which is not a palindrome. And we're going to define a function called a palindrome, why not, that takes an argument s. And then at the end, we're just going to print out the call of our function palindrome, passing argument s. You don't have to do the argument, by the way. And in fact, I could just type like string right in the middle of it and it would work exactly the same. I'm just doing this as a matter of pattern. That's how I do things. So this is pretty easy. You could just say if s is exactly equal to s colon colon -1, return true. Else, well, I like to return true at the end. So let's say if it's not equal, then return false, else return true. You could do either way. So all this is saying, hey, flip s around so it's backwards. So I'm saying if s forwards isn't equal to s backwards, then return false, else return true. It's a palindrome. So let's test this. So Python scratch false. So what if we type Bob? Bob is a palindrome. True. Let's try race car. True. Let's try race cars. False. So this works just fine. So if you want to see what this looks like, let me take this up a little bit in case you've never tried this before. So let's say s equals string, for example. And then I say I'm going to make like a variable x equal to s in reverse order. If I print x, let's see what that looks like. Gnerts, so you can see it's string backwards. So if I were to take something like race car, and I say print s, it prints race car. But if I say x is equal to s in the reverse, and I print x, you can see it still prints race car. So then I can say x is exactly equal to s, and it comes back true because these words are the same. So this is essentially how this works. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. But if not, now you know how to do a quick and down and dirty palindrome.